Hi everyone, my name is Sharni Mohan from DDT1B. Today I'm here to present my problem-based task 1. So let's see. This is my question 1. So let's see the question 1. Mr. Ahmad wants a program has 3 options that can be chosen by the user. The options are area of triangle, area of circle, area of rectangle. As a programmer, solve this program using step 1 until step 3 in a programming life cycle. Explain the step involved in programming life cycle to solve this problem. So they have given a several output example that which we gonna use in our flowchart later. We must refer this to use our do our raptor. So the first example is they said the output said this program will calculate area of object a number 1 triangle, number 2 circle, number 3 rectangle. The second example is please choose one geometrical object. So from these three we have to choose one. Number 3 example is please enter height. That is our first input which we got from this example. Number 4 is please enter the base. Base is our second input to find area. The fifth one is the program will calculate area of object. The triangle, circle, rectangle, area of triangle is 12. So the last one you want to continue. Okay, if you have like this, like question like this, it refer to you have to use looping structure in the flowchart. So let's see the flowchart. This is my flowchart. This is start and this is my output. So first why I put output, because we have a question in the last raptor, so we have to put output first. My output I put is enter this program will calculate area of object triangle, circle and rectangle. So I put looping structure over there. Please choose one geometrical object. So we have to choose either 1, 2 or 3. 1 is triangle, 2 is circle, 3 is rectangle. So for area of triangle, which is 1, the first input I put is height. Second is base. The calculation for area of triangle is 1 over 2 times height times base. So the output I will get is area of triangle. So the second one is for circle. The first input is radius. The process is 3.142 times radius. The output is area of circle. For the rectangle, the first input is height. Second input is base. The calculation is area. For area of circle is height times rectangle is height times base. So the output is enter area of rectangle. So this is after I run my flowchart, this is what I got. So one more time I will run my raptor. Let's see. So this is my raptor that I explained just now. So let's run. So now I'm going to choose either I'm going to find area of triangle, circle or rectangle. So now I'm going to choose one which is triangle. So height I will put 10. Base I will put 5. So now that asks yes or no. For example, I press yes. So it will continue from the starting. That's why we put looping. So again, I have to choose an object. Now this time I choose 3, which is rectangle. The height is 10. Base is 5 as well. So I put no to finish run. So you can see my output here. Area of triangle, area of rectangle. The output, the answer I got for area of triangle is 25. For rectangle got 50. So this is how I do my raptor, which use my knowledge, which my teacher teach me. So for second question, my team will continue. Thank you so much. That's all from me.
Hi, My name is Vaishnavi Sivakumar. My matching number is 25DDT20F2036. I'm from DDT 1B. Today I'm going to present about input process output, which is question 2. The input is weight, height, age and gender. The process is total equals to 0. Check the gender to compute the BMR. If gender equals to female, BMR equals time 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height minus 5 times age minus 161. Else BMR equals to 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height minus 5 times with age plus 5. The balance is equals to BMR minus with total. The output is BMR total balance. Thank you.
Hello madam, my name is Jeevan Racharma. My metric number is 25VDT20F2040. Now I'm going to explain my router. So as usually we're going to put the start first. Then I've put the looping here because need to repeat my router constantly. So there is 4 kind of input here. First one is enter weight, and then the enter height, and the third one is enter age, and the fourth one is enter gender, which is male or female. After that I've put the selection here for gender M, and under that I've put another selection for gender F, which is for female. So we're going to see the gender male first. So for selection gender male, is the process is 10 times weight, and then plus 6.25 times height, and then minus with 5 times age, and then plus with 5 again. So this is my process, and the output is your BMR. And then for gender F, gender female, so the process is 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height, and then minus with 5 times age, and then minus with 161. So this is the process, and the output is your BMR again. And then at the end, VF you want to continue or not at here, and then you have the answer also. The answer is Y. So now we're going to run the router. So enter weight. For example, I'm going to put my weight 80, enter height 170, and then my age 20, gender male M. So I'm going to put Y to continue. So this is my result. So this is the output of my router. Thank you.